Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a good weekend. And if you keep the controversies aside, right, of Twitter, with respect to a very respectable trader, I think the weekend was more rest and less strain to the mind, right? Quick, let's get into the analysis. I welcome you on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute. Now, markets are at an interesting stage, right? If you see gradually the VIX is rising, which means, and again, I was looking at a from a weekly standpoint, right? I was looking at a rise in the market, right? I personally feel between 44,900 and 45,600, market was supposed to retest. Market has retested 44,950. There is still one more leg of rally, right, which is left. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, right? This is interesting. I said it's stuck in a range right now, very clearly above 44,900. It can go back and retest 45,600 odd levels, right? For market to break 43,500 is very crucial from a weekly standpoint. A daily or couple of days, if you get a closing below 43,500, you are in for a big correction right up to, say, the first level would be 41,500, the second level would be 40,200, right? These are positional targets. Now weekly chart is showing um, there was a recovery last week after four candles, right? This week has been green. So what is the daily chart saying? Daily chart, actually it showed what is typically known as a counter attack candle, right? So in if you look at it, right, from the market standpoint, right, now this level of 44,080 downside and 44,350 upside, right? Anywhere if market opens in between, then markets may till it's in between this range, right? Markets may continue to be range bound, right? For it to move above or below, I think this range needs to be taken out. This 270 point range is very tricky. Let's get into 15-minute chart and look at intraday. It's clearly above 44,350. You have targets of 44,450 and 44,540, right? These are the targets upside. If you see, there is this, it's a very steep trend line, right? But if you see, this trend line is actually giving a resistance. So tomorrow, right, wait, as in the morning, if market opens between 44,060 to 44,160 and takes out this level, right, you would see 44,3, as in above 44,270, you can take a trade for targets of 44,360, 442 and 534, right? If it's a gap down. If it's a flat opening, try and just wait out, right? Any opening between 44 150 160 to 44 287, right? Let it consolidate in the first 15 to 20 minutes, then take out 303, retest that level, and that is where you can enter so that the stop loss is less, right? The targets upside would be 44 420 and 44 500. A gap up opening will make trading very difficult. Gap up opening around 44 550, wait for a range and breakdown, right? Else don't take a trade. Gap up opening will be very difficult to trade tomorrow. Again, also remember that now fin nifty expiry is there, right, on Tuesday. Bank nifty, this is last of the week, or this is a monthly expiry any which ways, but after this bank nifty shifts to a Wednesday expiry, right? So that is where the premium adjustment, traders will take some time to adjust, so be cautious there. The scenarios I've explained now, let me get into fin nifty, right? Because many people also watch it for fin nifty. Similar to bank nifty, fin nifty also, right, is in a range. Now for you to take a trade upside, you need a move above 19,690, right? Your targets are 750, 740 and 780. Downside, wait, I would personally wait for a candle to close below 19,537, right? In case of a gap up opening around 19,760, observe, you can take a small trade for 60 to 80 points in fin nifty. Premium movement in fin nifty will be very fast because it's one day before expiry, so plan your trades and take it. Fin nifty is following the same pattern as bank nifty. Now in terms of components, if I see components, HDFC is bearish, Kotak is neutral, ICICI is bullish, Axis is bullish, SBI is neutral, IndusInd is bearish, right? Components are not giving any view. Watch out for HDFC above 1560, else HDFC can continue the slide. So HDFC and ICICI can fire together. ICICI above 974, HDFC above 1564, it can fire. Axis definitely above 987. So charts are giving a mixed feeling on the from the component standpoint. Now option chart, right? CE chart, I'm looking at 44,300 C only if it opens between 220 to 200, say between 220 250, right? If it shunts for some time and then takes out this level, you can trade it for 341 and 408. PE now looks difficult. So for PE, right, if it breaks 183, this PE can come all the way down to 95, right? But for you to go long on this PE, has to open between 280 and 370, consolidate, take out these 370 level, you are then in for targets of 440 and 480, right? So uh, option chart is also saying tomorrow could be a mixed day, right, on the bank nifty side. Let's look at Nifty 50. Nifty 50 as opposed to bank nifty is showing signs of weakness. Guys, again, this is very tricky. Bank Nifty, Nifty going on one side, components and spot chart, component chart, and option chart being very misaligned. Interestingly, Nifty 50 is showing a breakdown. So again, if Nifty does not trade above 19,305, you will be in for a very difficult day to trade because Nifty is going down. Now, what could be the reason for Nifty to go down? If you see components of Nifty are showing weakness, right? FMCG, IT, pharma and healthcare, which were holding it, they're all showing a down move. We wait and watch. US market has closed strong, right? So we wait and watch, but I would not take a trade in Nifty 50. Rather, I would prefer taking a trade in Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Preference will be towards Fin Nifty because the premiums are at a better place, right? So friends, that's it. I have given you the scenarios. Let's hope everyone starts their week profitably. In case there is some other thing that I want to discuss, I will put it in the channel. For people who are liking our analysis, do join our YouTube and Telegram channel. Share and subscribe it with your friends and family members so that everyone can get an advantage. Thank you, friends. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and try to take benefit of the analysis and plan your trades accordingly. Thank you, friends.